Okay, so we got this situation to handle. So if you'll observe the question says uh, integration from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. The moment you will observe this minus of a plus of a, you have to connect yourself with the given property minus a to a f of x dx is equal to limit from 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay, so this is the idea. Now let's apply the given property in this illustration. So what we will find, look at here. So it is 0 to 1 by 2 sec x log 1 minus x 1 plus x dx plus, now you have to replace x with minus x, so it will become sec minus x log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x dx. Now just be super slow. So can I write this thing as 0 to 1 by 2 sec x log 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, no need to write dx over here. Okay, now you know that sec of minus theta is same as sec theta. Okay, so we have sec x. Now to make this log and this log look alike, we will reciprocate the argument log 1 minus x upon 1 plus x power minus 1 dx. Okay, so now let's write down one more step. We are almost there to write down the final result. So it is sec x into log 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now you know that if anything is in the power of argument of log comes at coefficient, so this thing will come over here, then it's in product, so that minus will come over here. So you have minus of sec x log 1 minus x upon 1 plus x dx. Now if you'll observe, both things are same. So this thing gone, we are left with 0. So integration of 0 becomes 0. Therefore the required result is 0. I hope you guys got the idea, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.